Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? Hopeful that you will be fine. Now we are going to start our work. Let's open your English workbook, grade 1. Open page number 72. The name of our topic is comprehension. You must learn this thing that what is comprehension. Comprehension mean किसी चीज़ के मुश्किल मानों को आसानी से समझना. Comprehension mean an ability to understand the meaning or importance of something. मतलब कि किसी भी चीज़ के मुश्किल मानों को समझना और उसकी अहमियत को समझना. It is called comprehension. There are four topics, parts of a book, good habits, cats, benefits of saying Bismillah. Means these are four topics and we will write them in easy words. Parts of a book, good habits, what is mean by good habits, we will write about good habits in easy words. That is called comprehension. Now come on the page 73. Comprehension number 1. Parts of a book. In this diagram we can see many parts of the book. First one, title, front cover, author, back cover and spine. Means this is called title of the book. Front cover, you can see your own book. It is called title, it is called front cover and it is called back cover. Okay. First one, number 1, dash is the title of the book shown above. We can see that what is the title of the book? Broadway. Means Broadway is the title of the book shown above. Broadway is the title of the book. Number 2, this book was written by Shemala. This book was written by means who is the author of this book or who has written this book? The name of the author is Shemala. The name of the writer is Shemala. Number 3, the lessons of this book are shown in the dash. Table of contents. In this portion we can see lesson number, page number and we can find page number of the lesson mentioned above. For example, we can see Free in the Forest in the page number 20. You can see your own book. Contents. It is called contents means here the number of lessons or the page number are mentioned in this portion. For example, Free in the Forest, we can find Free in the Forest on the page number 18. It is called contents. The lessons of the book are shown in the table of contents. Number 4, the lesson called dash can be found on page 38. We can find on page number 38 what is her garden, his field. The name of lesson, her garden, his field can be found on page number 38. We will write her garden, comma, his field. We can see that this lesson can be found on page number 38. Number 5, there are dash lessons in this book. We can see in the table of contents that there are 4 lessons. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 lessons are mentioned in the table of contents. Number 6, if I want to learn about red car, what page would I turn to? If I want to learn about red car, what page would I turn to? The page number is 27. We can find red car in the page number 27. Number 7, which is the first topic listed in the book? We can see the first topic. First topic is Free in the Forest. What is the first topic of the table of contents? Free in the Forest. These are lesson number, these are lesson name and these are page number. We can see first lesson, Free in the Forest. Free in the Forest. It is first lesson. at home. It is activity for home. Help your child in identifying the title, author and illustrator of the favorite book. Talk about the book together. You will help your child to identify the title, author and illustrator of the favorite book of your child. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.